So the Cricut Expression that we're trying to glue up this little connector. With a blue light. We actually released the belt. There's a little clip here, comes in there, but we had to release it here to get this motor out with the wheel on, and we had to fix this connector, a little plastic, where is it now, little plastic connector, this thing to that thing, it broke loose, and that's why it's making that horrible sound.
It doesn't respond to that.
Yeah. There's two little buttons in the steel buttons that connects to this thing, and then it stops that sound, whatever it is.
And it connects to the board so the board can work.
The board can work, yes.
No, you can't see.
Mm-hmm.
Where are you, Peter?
Just give me a... Okay, but it looks alright.